I'm Angela from Growing in the Garden. Once you've planted your garden, your job is not done. There are still things your plants need. It's important to spend some time in your garden each day taking care of your plants to get them all the way to a successful harvest. After planting, spend some time each day making sure your plants are getting established in your garden. Those seedlings are growing, thin them to make sure that there's enough room. As transplants begin growing, if they need to find a trellis, lead them to the trellis and make sure that they're ready to climb. Give your plants what they need along their journey to become a mature plant. The watering needs of your plants will change throughout the season. Young plants and newly planted seeds are going to need more frequent, lighter applications of water. As those roots grow deeper, you're going to need to water those plants a little bit more to encourage nice, deep root development. The temperature is also going to change throughout the season. As temperatures climb, the watering needs of your plants will grow up. Monitor the weather. Plants need more water when it's windy and hot, and less water when you receive rain or if it's really humid. As you're spending time in your garden each day, monitor your plants. If you're seeing the female fruits on plants like squash and watermelon wither and fall off instead of forming fruit, it may be a problem with pollination. You may need to step in and hand pollinate those fruits. The best time to do that is first thing in the morning. That's why spending a little bit of time in your garden each day is so crucial. Spend some time keeping the garden cleaned up. Pick up fallen leaves, remove damaged plants, deadhead spent flowers, prune suckers from plants. A little bit of this every day will keep your garden healthy and happy. And finally, daily vigilance is the best way to prevent pests and diseases from getting out of control. When you're walking around your garden, check under leaves for pest eggs, look for the first signs of disease. Take those steps right away to get those problems under control, or just observe and be aware of what's going on in your garden so you'll know exactly what to do to keep those problems from getting out of control. As you spend time in your garden, these tasks will become a habit and you'll look forward to the time that you spend in your garden each day. For more information, head to kellogggarden.com.